would want to short Axis Bank in the cash segment at 992 levels, holding these short positions with a stop loss at 999 levels, expecting to book profits at 974 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short again, this time in SBI in the cash segment at 1,535 levels. I would hold these short positions with a stop loss at 1,550 and I would expect to book profits at 1,515 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the futures space, I would want to short August futures of Bank of Baroda at 452 levels, holding these short positions with a stop loss at 457, expecting to book profits between 443 to 445 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
But today, I like to short banks. Bank of India certainly is looking weak. The way it's broken down in important support, looks like it can slide down to levels closer to 140. I would have a deeper stop above 162 and trade short on Bank of India. The second stock among the banking bank that looks weak to me is Canara Bank. Again, typically a weak structure has broken down at very important levels at 235, 236 zones. I think it can slide down to levels closer to 190 in the days to come. That is sub 200 zones. But the only thing one need to have a deeper stop about 225. You get rallies shorted and wait for a few days. You should see the levels down. Nifty futures, like I said, can slide down to levels closer to 5325 to 5300 zones in the days to come. Stop above 5500. That's very deep, but then we get rallies shorted and wait it out. We should see levels closer to 5300.
Top two recommendation would be firstly a sell on Tata Steel. That is from the metal index, and we have seen that the stock has rebounded from its recent low of around 196 and it's quoting around 250. So we expect that this pullback should be very much temporary in nature, and the stock should again catch up with the overall trend, which is negative. So we are recommending to sell Tata Steel for a target of 200 and a stop loss for the trade can be kept at 275. The second script would be a sell on Power Grid. If you look at the chart of Power Grid, it was in a long-term consolidation which got confirmed on the downside some days back, and we have seen a temporary pullback coming in on Power Grid. We don't expect the stock to move above the level of 100. So this pullback can be used as a selling opportunity. We are looking for a target of 84 and a stop loss can be kept at 100.
I would go with a sell in Axis Bank, stop loss 1011, target of 938. The second call is a sell in McLeod Russell, stop loss of 258, target of 233. And for FNO players, I would go with a sell in ACC, which is given a breakdown yesterday, ACC August futures, stop loss of 1132, target of 1080.